Welcome to another episode in our Splunk SPL series. Today we're exploring the like command, a powerful feature that brings SQL-style pattern matching to your Splunk searches. The like command allows you to use familiar wildcard syntax for filtering and pattern matching, making it easier to find exactly the data you're looking for in your logs and events. The like command follows a straightforward syntax structure. You can use it in two main ways. First, with the function style syntax. Search pipe where like open parenthesis field comma quote pattern quote close parenthesis. Second, with the operator style syntax. Search pipe where field like quote pattern quote. Both approaches achieve the same result, so you can choose the one that feels more natural to you. The like command supports two essential wildcard characters. The % matches 0 or more characters, making it perfect for flexible pattern matching. The underscore matches exactly one character, giving you precise control when you need to match specific character positions. These wildcards are the foundation of pattern matching with the like command. Let's see the %wildcard in action. To find URLs starting with admin, use where URI like quote admin %quote. For finding emails ending with .com, use where email like quote %.com quote. When you need to find usernames containing the word test anywhere, use where username like quote %test %quote. The %wildcard gives you complete flexibility in pattern placement. The underscore wildcard provides exact character matching. To find 3-character code starting with a, use where code like quote a _ quote. 4 IDs following the pattern ID-X-001, use where ID like quote ID_001 quote. Phone numbers like 555-123-4 digits can be matched with where phone like quote 555-123 _ quote. The like command is case sensitive by default. When you search for quote admin %quote, it will match admin and administrator, but not admin or admin in lowercase or uppercase. To perform case-insensitive matching, combine the like command with the upper function. Use where upper of field like quote admin %quote to match all variations by converting everything to uppercase first. Sometimes you need to exclude patterns rather than include them. The not like operator is perfect for this. To exclude test users, use where not like username comma quote %test %quote. For excluding internal IP addresses, use where src_IP not like quote 192.168 %quote. To filter out system logs, use where source not like quote %system %quote. Here's a real-world example analyzing weblogs for suspicious login attempts. We start with index equals web source type equals access_combined. Then we filter for URIs containing login with status 401, excluding internal IP addresses. The complete search combines multiple like conditions, where like URI comma quote %login %quote and status equals quote 401 quote and client tip not like quote 192.168 %quote. Finally, we use stats count by client tip comma URI to summarize the results. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.